Economic markets around the world did another nosedive on Friday on news that Germany's Deutsche Bank was in trouble. In recent years, the bank underwent a multi-billion-dollar restructure, and it had seen 10 consecutive quarters of profit, but its reliance on credit default swaps, which allow investors to swap or offset their credit risk with each other, caused its debt to spike, along with the cost of insuring itself against that debt.
Deutsche Bank has been an issue. It's not a bank that we weren't aware had problems for years now. It's not reflected in the business. We have folks in Germany saying the bank is fine. What we're seeing is in the credit default swap market, not necessarily that something has happened at the bank unexpectedly.
Germany's chancellor agreed.
The Deutsche Bank has fundamentally modernized and reorganized its business and is a very profitable bank. There is no reason to worry.
2 weeks ago, the collapse of two American mid-sized banks sent shudders through the banking industry and stock markets. The Biden administration stepped in to shore up the safety of the bank's deposits. That was followed by the collapse of Credit Suisse, which was rescued by rival UBS. Still, the rescues did not calm jittery markets.
And challenges for Canada?
President Biden, speaking in Canada on Friday, said banks were in pretty good shape and that he didn't see anything about to explode on the horizon. But analysts think even if these latest banking struggles are just one-offs and not contagions, they will still lead to stress in the markets and companies tightening their belts and their balance sheets. That means the cost of debt will go up.
But as long as we still have a tight labor market, it's very hard to imagine a scenario where we will have, a serious recession.
The New York Stock Exchange was among those markets that initially took a dive on Friday. But by the end of the day, investors shook off their fears about Deutsche Bank, and stocks finished up over 130 points, capping 2 straight weeks of gains. Andy Roesgen, TRT World, Washington.